To change appliance beeping sounds notification sounds in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then tap sound notifications. Select settings, and then if you turn on sound notification, tap sound notification are active, and then if you turn off sound notification, tap sound notification are paused, and then turn on live transcript and sound notification. If off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, then scroll down, tap appliance beeping, select sound, and then select sound you want. And then tap back button to save. Now appliance beeping sound notification such as Cassiopeia, or tap if you want to turn off, select silent. Now sound set as silent. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.